Actif is Carmarthenshire County Council's Sport and Leisure section, and it's our mission to improve well-being by inspiring our population to be active for life. Getting adults active and enabling them to stay active is critically important for us.
How do we do this? Firstly, by helping people to help themselves. This could be by helping sports clubs to thrive and extend their offer. The explosion of walk-in sports is a great illustration of this. Or through our own provision, our ever-diversifying fitness and pool programmes now feature fantastic, welcoming gyms and an extensive range of classes for all ages and abilities, even featuring sessions on stand-up paddleboards and spin bikes in the water. Plus, we have a growing number of locations in the community where active sessions run or community ambassadors can be found, making it as easy as possible for adults to get active in their own area. Secondly, we provide help when people need it. There is a growing range of opportunities people can be signposted and referred to on land and in the water. Wraparound programmes such as Your Health Matters combine exercise with lifestyle change. Our exercise professionals are there to help people with a wide range of medical conditions to benefit from physical activity, and one of our newest offers, Good Boost, uses artificial intelligence to take people on an individualised journey to improve health. Thirdly, we provide ongoing specialist help through our highly qualified exercise professionals who use activity to support people through difficult journeys such as cancer and stroke recovery.
At Actif, we aim to promote and enable good health and prevent inactivity and ill health. And we want a connected Carmarthenshire that helps tackle loneliness and isolation. What are you waiting for? Get up and get active.